In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop autopay on Google Pay. If you're being charged automatically each month and you're ready to turn that off, I'll walk you through the exact path inside your Google account so you can cancel the subscription tied to Google Pay. We'll also look at an alternate route in the same account area, so use whichever feels more familiar. Before we start, a quick note. Canceling a subscription stops future charges, but it usually doesn't issue a refund for past payments, and access often continues until the end of your current billing period. Begin on your browser and head to pay.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, the one that actually pays for the subscription. You can confirm this by checking the profile picture or initial in the top corner. If it's not the right account, switch to the correct one so you see the right subscriptions. Next, click your profile in the top corner and choose Manage Your Google Account. This takes you into your main account hub. From here, find Payments and Subscriptions. This is the central place where Google collects your saved payment methods, purchases, and recurring charges. Open Payments and Subscriptions, then select Manage Payment Methods to get oriented and move into Subscriptions and Services. You'll see a list of active subscriptions and services billed through Google. Scroll until you find the specific subscription you want to stop. Click Manage next to it. On the management screen, look for the option to cancel subscription. Click that, review any on-screen notes about what happens to your access, and confirm. You may be asked to pick a reason. Choose one and proceed. When you're done, you should see a confirmation on screen, and you'll typically receive an email as a record. There's also an alternate way to reach cancellation from the same account area. If you're already in Payments and Subscriptions, you can go directly to your subscription list there and select Cancel Subscription from within that view. The result is the same. Autopay will be turned off for that specific service. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you don't see the subscription you expect, double check you're signed into the right Google account. Some services may not bill through Google Pay, in which case they won't appear here. After canceling, keep an eye on your email for confirmation and your next billing date to verify charges have stopped. That's it. Your autopay is now turned off on Google Pay. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to review your other subscriptions while you're here to keep your spending in check.